You are deeply, deeply loved by God. I didn't always know that. Hence, ended up in the back of a police van. Why did I end up there? Because when you don't know who you are, all right, you cannot be prosperous. It's impossible. So essentially, listen to the words, knowing your true, royal, authentic identity is a necessity for your prosperity. Knowing did you hear the words, the adjectives there? True, royal, authentic. There we go, so authentic. Because some of us, we think like, I'm not enough, so I must be like this person. No, learn from them, but be you. Like you guys are champions, but I can't be you. I can learn from you, but I can't be you. You can learn from my wife and I, but you can't be us. We are us. You are you. So be you. We don't need another fake, false version of somebody else. We need the real you. The real you, Y-O-U. We need your outstanding uniqueness. We need that. That's what we need. And we work by the grace of God with a lot of young people and so forth. And I see it amongst the young people. I mean, the guy playing soccer, he put the ball on the floor, youngster, put the ball down, and he backs up, boom, and he stands just like Ronaldo. I'm thinking, bro, you got a free kick inside of you that the world is missing out on because you're trying to be somebody else. Be you. Some of you maybe in this class, you singers or you musicians, and you're trying to sing like Mang Mang. No, bro, be you. But what happens if you don't listen? Who cares, bro? God listening? And when it's your time, bro, it's your time. I'm telling you, when it's your time, it's your time. Because promotion don't come from man. Promotion comes from God. And this is why you should never just do stuff because people's eyeballs are on you. Do stuff because God calling you to do that. Trying to only do the homework because you know, okay, teacher, blah, blah. No. Do it, bro, because you respect yourself enough. And bro, I'll be the first. I'll be the first to say, I didn't like homework. Until I realized, one day, honestly, I don't know about you, but I don't want to be a dumb dad one day. Like, imagine your kid come to you, ask you, what's 4 plus 4? You're like 14. You're like, bro, what do you mean 14? I want when my boy comes to me and he says, my dad, I want to start a business. How do I do it? I don't know, your number one was, yeah. You know, no, bro, I want to say, my boy, come, let me show you. Let me show you how this is going. Take my hand, let's go. And maybe perhaps right now in your family you don't find that kind of support. That's part of the game. That's part of your testimony. That's part of it. Don't waste the pain. That's part of your story, bro. Because Lord willingly one day you'll stand in front of the youth and you'll be like, yo, listen, bro, my mom walked out, my dad did this, but look what God has done for me. That's part of your testimony. Bro, the other day I was thanking God for the disappointments in my life, because those disappointments that happened to me was busy fortifying on the inside that the palace couldn't do. You need the pit, bro. You need the problem to get that thing formed on the inside. For example, when you lift weights, the next day, or you go, if you haven't trained for a long time, maybe just go for a jog or whatnot, and you go around the block, and the next day you're your whole body's sore. Why? Because your muscles in your body, it tore, and now it's going to grow back together, it's going to grow back stronger, it's going to grow back bigger. That's why your muscles were sore the next day, because that's what's busy happening on the inside. It's the same with us. That's why I'm saying to you, inside of your pain, there's amazing purpose there. Inside of your struggle, there's amazing success inside that struggle there. You just maybe don't see it right now. But inside of you, there's a book that needs to come out. There's a movie that might need to come out. There's a business that might need to come out. Because what you guys know, one of the biggest issues that we're facing in this country currently, over 55% plus minus, according to one statistic, 55% of young people in this nation unemployed, youth, unemployed. Now, what's the solution? Are we going to wait for someone else to first provide jobs before we do anything, or are we going to create jobs?